What's up guys? We have a little bit different video today. We're doing a service right now, and then we have a spring change and an opener next. I just started, so I'm not as experienced as you're used to seeing. You'll kind of see what it's like as a beginner to do the actual work. So we'll see you guys at the job. So we're here at the service. We already talked to the customer. We're just gonna tighten everything up, lube the door, and kind of make sure everything's straight. So that's all we're really gonna do at this one. We'll get back to you when we're done. And this will get rid of all the rattling and stuff like that the customer was kind of wanting us to take care of. So, all right, so we just finished the service. A lot quieter than it was before, which is what the customer wanted. So that's all we're doing for this job.
Guys, we are at another job today. We sold a motor for $749. So we're gonna take this one down. It's actually also a Chamberlain. It's totally went out, about 20 years old. So we'll take this one down and then give them this one. So far we've gotten this put together. What we had to do here is we had to take the Sawzall because they had a small piece built over it there. So we had to cut that down in order to take the old one down. Only took a couple seconds. There we go. Now, this is the stopper over here for when the trolley's coming this way. I'm gonna turn it. There you go. That's just old school way of stopping it. There we go. All right, we're just getting finished up here now. We got the 2 extra remotes, new units installed. Push the button, comes down. Serviced it as well, makes it a little quieter. It's got the soft close. They can probably use some weather seal at the bottom, but these houses in San Francisco, a lot of them are uneven, so let's open it up. This is a silent belt drive. Real quiet. Let's go get the payment. All right, so we just finished up the opener. Here's the payment. It took us about 2 hours, a little longer than usual, but oh well. The lady was happy. Programmed her keypad for her too, so good day. $749, and then we got $349, so it's about $1,100 a day. Still got actually one more service. Give him a call here now.
We called the third one, and the customer, he's not able to be available tonight, so we just got the 2 for today, but still about $1,100 for the day, considering I just started. The other technician you saw, Tim, he just started too, so we're both new to the business, showing you we can easily make the money if you just learn it. So if you guys want to get started on it, it's definitely possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Good old San Francisco.
For you guys that are interested in doing garage doors, garage door repairs, we have a free lesson for you below. So click the link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If I were you, I would go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com to schedule a call. You'll probably talk to me, and I'll talk to you, and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do to get into business. I'll tell you how fast you can get into business. It's not a big drawn out thing. You can be making money very fast, day after day after day after day. Give us a call or sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Over and out.